How to configure your Jobs button with Image Express. The folder in the software will correspond to the buttons on the scanner, and all of them can be customized. Right-click on a button to modify the settings. You can customize the settings based on your preferences and workflow. In the Scan Area section, you can choose from different size options to match your needs. You can also customize the image resolution with a maximum of 1200 dpi. Additionally, the software offers 2 color modes. It also provides automatic image correction and auto rotation to simplify the process. With the Continue scan, you have up to 30 seconds to switch documents, during which you can freely pause, resume, or stop the process at any time. The one-click completion lets you skip editing and directly access the saved file. In addition, you can name the file manually or use automatic naming based on the date and time. Various file formats are available, including JPEG, PDF, and searchable PDF, so you can choose what fits best. After selecting the format, you can save the file to your computer or upload it directly to cloud platforms such as Google Drive or Dropbox and more. You can also name the button after configuring it. When you move the button, it will automatically correspond to the button on the scanner. Get your hands on a sample unit and get a taste of its capabilities.